Hi to all, my name is SST Dark, and in today's video we're gonna do some backup sensors. So let's go. So for this job we're gonna need some sensors. We need 4 of them. We need the display, and here is the control unit, and most importantly, installation list. So we have some tools, and let's go. So for making the points where I need to drill, I use this laser, and now you cannot see, but maybe now you can see. Here's one, here is second, third and fourth. So the distance between them is 46 centimeters. So now let's drill it and put them in place. So I drilled the holes. So measurement from here to here is 30 centimeters, and then we have from first and second 46, and on this side from this to this is 46, and between it is 46, I hope. So again, from this side to this is 30 centimeters. So now you can use hard wire. You pull it here. As you can see, there you have a hole. And now we're gonna put the sensors and all the wires we're gonna put here. So I fitted all the sensors, all the wires are in place. Here you can see all the wires, so I put them here. All the wires are connected. Now I simply pull this and you can put all the wires here, so stay tuned. And when you connect all the wires, you have your rear parking sensors that function. And that's it. So you have here the display where it shows where is the obstacle. So this display goes to front, so you can see, or you can put it back because you can hear it. No need to put wires all the way. So thanks for watching. You have to know which. So here's the first and the third, so green and white, yellows that I need for this to function. So this is the reverse light. That's it. Thanks for watching. ZST Dark out. Bye.